Did you know that Marilyn Monroe predicted her own death while filming her final movie? In 1961, during the making of The Misfits, something was terribly wrong with Hollywood's biggest star. Crew members watched in horror as Monroe's behavior became more and more strange. She kept telling people she wouldn't live to see another film. She changed her will in the middle of filming. Late at night, mysterious phone calls would leave her shaking with fear. The script supervisor later revealed that Monroe confided in her about being watched. She said she feared for her life. Personal items started disappearing from her trailer and were never found again. Monroe kept repeating the same chilling words to anyone who would listen. "I'm not safe." She seemed to know something terrible was coming. Just 1 year later, Marilyn Monroe was found dead in her home. The official cause was ruled an overdose, but many questions remain unanswered. Was Monroe trying to warn people about something? Did she know her fate was already sealed?